Are you Russell's dog now or what? That's okay. You can hang out there. You can hang out there for a while. Another beautiful day. And we are out of here. Uncle. We're gonna head towards Warren, Pennsylvania. As I said, we got gonna do some visiting soon. We might have a stop on the way there.
Take the next left onto Pennsylvania Avenue West.
Alright, we're just coming into Warren, Pennsylvania, and what a beautiful old downtown area this is. I think Warren, I've seen a sign back there, Warren, yeah, the Warren Historic District, established in 1795. It's like some kayakers just getting out of the water. Let's see if we can find a shady spot here to pull over for a while. There we go. It's like a couple out there in a canoe. And there's another park over there. But this is the Allegheny River. And it really looks kind of wide here. It's deceiving because this, I don't know what creek this might be. Okay, but that's the Allegheny River coming on this way. You know, it looks wide from this perspective, but I know when we come across the auto traffic bridge up there, it's a good bit. It's probably half the size or less than that of when we're way downriver by New Kensington. So we're definitely way upriver. And they're doing some construction over here. We got a bunch of benches here, a little picnic table. Yeah, this whole area. Maybe they're redoing this whole area. Maybe this is gonna be part of the park, additional parking and stuff. This would be nice. This needs thinned out. If these benches are for viewing the river, it's a little thick. This area is probably due for some. Need to get caught up, and the area needs refreshed. How about that? This place got instantly busy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vehicles in this tiny little area. This is indeed a pull out for canoes and kayaks. I'm gonna see if we can go up on a hill. I think up to Washington Park, I believe it's called. As soon as I got my seatbelt on, that is. Wow. We came way up this mountain. There's oh, by the way, there's choppers flying around today. I wonder what's going on. Washington Park is down. We came up way up on this mountain, and we made a left, and now we're heading way back down. Hopefully in a nice shady, cool hollow. But we'll see. It'd be nice to just find a place to hang out for a little while today. We have arrived. I think it's just, oh, it's a big, oh, it's a big pothole there. Looks like it's just a big overlook, overlooking the valley. All right, the Bella girl is on leash again. Yeah, this is way up here and offers a big overview of the city of Warren and the Allegheny River. Oh, how much we can see up here. Some of this brush, like right here at the beginning, could use cut. Wow. Maybe we can see better over here. Oh wait, check this out. Check this out. It's a bicentennial of George Washington and the 13 original colonies. Are commemorated by these elm trees. planted by the Magna Carta dames and the and the so on. And the so on. Huh. All these big elms, I guess. Yeah, we're only gonna get so much of a view because of some of the overgrowth here. I'm gonna tell you what, down in there, yeah, I can tell you it's mighty steep. It's not much of a park. 2 or 3 picnic tables and benches. Just a little parking area over here. Got a nice little place over there in the shade to park the van. I think Russ is gonna sneak in over there behind me. We'll just hang out for a little while here this afternoon till the heat of the day passes. We're wrapping up our visit here in just north of Warren, Pennsylvania. You might have heard on the news recently about the escaped prisoner, which has been captured. That happened not far from here. The one day we were at the Washington Park, we didn't know it. Of course, nobody knew where the prisoner was. The manhunt was still on, and we were up at taking a break from the heat up in Washington Park. There's a big lookout, hanging out in the shade for that hot afternoon. It ended up he was captured. I didn't check the miles thing on the map, but it was not far from where we were that they found him. So unbeknownst to us. Anyway, we're here visiting up here, and our days are running out of days here. We're getting ready to head back down. We're gonna be wrapping this trip up soon. We got another stop or 2 to make, and then it'll be over. So I found this nice spot, a little over here to park. I'm not getting any solar, of course, but you know, it was hot when we got here. It's cooled down here this morning. Russ is over there. He's getting plenty of sun. We're getting ready to leave. I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna be leaving after a while here in maybe a couple hours. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over there by Russ, get some solar, you know, get done off my leveler things there, and get packed up and hit the road here. But I met some new people. It's been nice up here. We had a nice visit, but time has come to get moving on.